Greetings. The label of this living vessel is Gregory Allen of Johnson, and I am reading the white paper, What's Really Going On Here. There are many people who see the actions by police and elected or appointed officials as violations of their oath of office and the Constitution they swore to uphold. However, what if someone were to point out that the problem isn't with those doing the enforcing, but those on the receiving end? This dissertation will attempt to demonstrate that until we know who we are, the herding of the cattle will continue. Let's look at the hub or center of this situation and work our way on out. Many are aware of the U.S. Constitution, Article 1, Section 8, that specifically enumerates the powers that empower Congress. It's the last one I want to read and take particular note. Article 1, Section 8, Clause 17 states in pertinent part to exercise exclusive legislative authority in all cases whatsoever over such district not to exceed 10 square miles as may by secession of particular states and the acceptance of Congress become the seat of government of the United States, and to exercise all like authority over all places purchased by consent of the legislature of the states in which the same shall be. This clause gave Congress the authority to form a municipal corporation, and they named this corporation with at least two titles. United States, which is codified in the United States Code at 28 U.S.C. 3215 capital A, and United States of America, as listed on the Federal Reserve notes, which most people consider quote-unquote money. This municipal corporation, hereinafter Municorp, which masquerades as the federal government, is run in the capacity of a militarily held democracy, has many franchises, and are mostly municipal in organization. Among these franchises are the federal agencies such as the Social Security Administration, the CIA, the NSA, the FBI, and the Department of Defense. Also included in the franchises are the 50 state ofs, the county ofs, and the city ofs. Another franchise of the Municorp, which is used to control the living population of the United States, is known as the United States citizen, and is usually signified by one's name spelled in all capital letters. This artificial entity is created from the birth certificate and the SS5 Social Security number application form. This artificial entity, hereinafter entity, is paper only and serves as the interface between the municipal corporations and the living being it represents. This also is the main way in the current system of commerce that a living being does business with other corporate entities. If one were to check their phone bill, credit card statement, utility bill, or any other memorialized commercial transaction of billing, one will find their name spelled in all caps and not in upper lowercase. This is the way they control you. Thank you for your time.